Is the crystal clear series cases from Torras going to be worth it for the new 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro? Let's find out. Starting off, these do have a perfect fit for the new 17 Pro Max and 17 Pro models. These are going to be anti-yellowing too, and Torras just came out with the new anti-yellowing technology this year, so you don't have to worry about your case fading or turning a different color over time. When it comes to protection, there's actually a lot of features that come with this case. So at the top, you do have that camera lens protector piece. You can see that it does kind of hang over those lenses, so it's going to hit that popped out piece first if you do drop your phone camera lens side down. There's also going to be bumpers at each corner of the case. There's more layering there, so that's going to be great for shock absorption. And the case itself is made out of a soft TPU material, so it's going to be able to break those falls if you do drop your phone. And I also noticed that these do a great job when it comes to fingerprints, if you're touching your phone, anything like that. Even staining as well, you're not going to be able to see it as much. And when it comes to the screen side, you do get those raised edges too, so kind of like the lens protector piece here, it's going to be great for screen protection because when you drop your phone screen side down, it's going to hit those raised edges first. And last but not least, you do have access still to your camera action button, which all the 17 series models do have. Overall though, if you're a fan of clear cases and you're looking for one for your 17 Pro Max or Pro, would definitely recommend the crystal clear series cases from Torras. Really convenient, protective, and you can also use MagSafe accessories on these. Even though they don't have a MagSafe ring, they're still going to be compatible with your wireless charging or any MagSafe accessories that you do have.